Hey Divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave all your comments. So guys, today I'm going to come to you and do this nice beat. It is going to be a simple everyday makeup look. So if you want to see why I do it, continue to watch. First thing I'm gonna do is prime my face, and I'll be using the Bareminerals primer, the mattifying primer, and I'll be putting it mainly in my T-zone area because I have super oily skin and I want my foundation to last all day. Now I'm going to go ahead and work on my face. So the first thing I'm going to do is put down my concealer, which I'm going to put in my highlighted area, and this is the LA Girl concealer in coffee. And then I'm going to go in with my Marc Jacob foundation to do my contour, and my Fenty and Too Faced Born This Way foundation as my foundation. So what I'm going to do is just put the concealer in my highlighted area, contour, and then put foundation wherever I didn't put any highlight or contour. I realized that this method works better for me because this allows me to minimize the amount of products I use and overall makes my makeup looks more flawless. After applying all the liquids, I go in and start blending out my contour first, and then move on to my highlighted areas and then my foundation. Now I'm going to go ahead and carve out my nose, contour my nose using the same Marc Jacobs foundation that I used to carve out my cheeks. I'm going to go in with some Tarte Shape Tape concealer and use that to further highlight my nose. I'm going to go in with the foundation brush and use that to blend away any harshness that I have going on. So I want everything to look smooth and flawless. I'm going to be using the Mercier translucent setting powder to set all my highlighted areas. So it's underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, under my nose, my chin, my forehead, and I'm also going to use it to reverse contour my cheeks. I'm going to be using the Black Radiance contour powder. It's a pressed powder, and I'm going to use that to set my cheeks and also over my forehead and underneath my jawline. I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Powder Foundation, and I'm going to use that to set my entire face. Because I'm going for an everyday makeup look, I am not going to be doing any shadows, so I'm just going to go in with my contour powder and apply that all over my eyelids. Now I'm going to go ahead and add mascara to my top and bottom lashes before adding my falsies. I'm going to go ahead and add my falsies, and the lashes that I'm using are the Lily lashes in the style Miami. To finish off this look, I'm going to move on to my lips, and I'll be lining it using the MAC lip liner in Chestnut, and then I'm going to go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. Here you go, guys. This is it. This is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.